Hey guys, it's Kylie. I want to show you how I do a quick one-pot Instapot meal for my husband and I. I make this often. Here, I'm going to try and get it to where you can see my Instapot a little bit. Okay, so I do this often. I am adding chicken. We pre-freeze individual pieces of chicken without the fat on it so that it can cook in the Instapot without fat. That is my preferred way. Just makes things a lot easier. Okay. Next, I'm adding barbecue sauce and water, okay? So, I already added water to my little jar just to make things easier. This is the G Hughes Sweet and Spicy. I had quite a bit of water in there. Barbecue sauce wise, I had about that much. I am adding in some barbecue seasoning. This is from Buc-ee's. I love all of Buc-ee's seasonings. They're so good. Next, I'm adding a foil packet of carrots. I'm gonna add a dash of salt-free seasoning. Oh, that was a little bit more than a dash. Then I'm gonna add some cinnamon. I just think carrots and cinnamon go together. I do the foil packets because then I can cook multiple things in one pot at a time and I don't have to do 3 dishes for my meal. Next, I'm adding a foil packet of sweet potato. I'm gonna spray some spray butter. This is one of my kitchen staples. I have to have spray butter. I'm gonna do some more salt-free seasoning. That pours out a little quick. And some more cinnamon. I just think sweet potatoes and cinnamon also go together. I'm gonna fold this up. Putting it in the Instapot. I'm gonna do manual. I cook it for 45 minutes because I like my chicken extra cooked. The vegetables are never too soft for me. You can cook it however you feel fit for you. And that, it's preheating. So, okay, love you guys.